Hello everybody, I'm Victor Mazzari. Thank you for watching this video. This video is an extension of the last video that I just did, in which I don't think I really did a good job of showing you the rocks and minerals that I found. This is about the Wisconsin ice sheet and how it extended its furthest most point at Shelbyville, Illinois about 20,000 years ago. And I'm here at Lake Shelbyville because I believe that this is Lake Michigan's would-be southernmost extent had the Lake Michigan basin extended this far south. So, without further ado, I just want to give you one more bird's eye view of the landscape. This is the area that I've been collecting rocks, and right now, like I said in the last video, the lake level is very high due to heavy rain. And in the cliffs here, you have a hard clay section and a hard clay section only, where you will find rocks with their glacial force grooves ground into them, or should I say their striae. And right now is not a very good day to collect rocks. However though, what I did find when there was a beach here was these rocks right here. And I don't know if you can see them, whether they're wet or polished, or if they're in more of a shaded situation like this. But these right here are basalts. They are metamorphic basalts, and the one here, this one, is a lightning stone basalt. And these other basalts are metamorphic and pulperitic. And I'll see if I can get them wet for you. This is how they would look in their polished state. Maybe you can or cannot see them. And this rock right here is a unakite or a granite. Let's see. And these two right here are, this one is a classic red and white agate, Lake Superior agate, and this rock right here is a chert with dish-like fractures in it. Agates are used in jewelry. And this rock right here is a Petoskey stone, mostly found in the upper peninsula of Michigan. This rock right here is a green unakite. This rock right here is a rhyolite pulpery. It's mainly found at the floor of Lake Superior, or around Lake Superior shorelines. This rock is a metamorphic brown sandstone, which is mostly found on Lake Michigan's southeastern Wisconsin end. These two rocks right here are found in central Wisconsin. They are metamorphic Baraboo quartzite. And they are erratic because they came from all the way up in central Wisconsin, and they still have their glacial force grooves ground into them in their striae. Speaking of which, we also have two other rocks right here that still have their flat surfaces and their glacier scratches in them. Both of which are pretty interesting. This one I kind of like because this is actually a kind of unusual brown basalt, and it has little black eyes in it. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but it's a pretty interesting rock. I just found it. And you might be able to see in this video, or you might not, but it still has its glacial scratches. And then, let's see, I don't know if you can see that. These rocks right here are semi-local bedrock. They are conglomerates, mainly formed by the glacier, but they're a bunch of glacial pebbles compacted together from 22,000 years of pressure, and they've turned into sort of a cement outcrop. And there's a lot of this cement outcrop found along the Lake Shelbyville shorelines, which kind of tells us that this is what we would find had Lake Michigan, on Lake Michigan's would-be southernmost extent. And then these rocks right here, they are the most local bedrock. One of them right there is brown shale from the Mississippian age. And I repeat, that is brown shale. Most shale on Lake Michigan's normal, or on true southernmost end in Gary, Indiana, is gray shale. Had the Lake Michigan basin extended this far south, we would find brown shale just like this. And these other two rocks are corals, one of which is a Pfaffisite fossil with little needles in it. They look like little needles or eyes. They're little fossilized coral crystals. And I can get them wet here, just to give you an idea. At least this one. So there you have it, folks. Very good collection. I'm going to go ahead and get some more water here real quick and see if I can get them all wet one more time and let you take a real good look at all of them. Gather them up here. One second here. Not the clearest water, but it'll have to do. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Victor Mazzari, and thank you very much for watching this video.